Now welcome to your beautiful home. MetroGuide Realty, your Metro Manila real estate guide, brings you our latest open house tour for a brand new 4-bedroom quality townhouse development for sale located in a fast developing community near Commonwealth Avenue in Quezon City. So here's a view of its striking and modern design, and join us as we begin this property tour. Hi, this is Bautista from MetroGuide Realty, and for quality house tour videos, just follow us here on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now, welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 4-bedroom premium townhome development for sale located near Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City. So right now, we're gonna tour you through this beautiful home, but before we do that, let's take a quick look at this property's features. Beginning with the site plan, it's a limited and exclusive 3-unit development with 3 levels, with floor areas ranging from 250 to 264 square meters and an average lot area of 100 square meters. For the specific home features, each unit has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2 car parking spaces, 2 balconies, a powder room, a second-floor family hallway, a master walk-in closet, a light well for ventilation, a service and laundry area, and maid's quarters. And all this just 10 to 15 minutes away from Quezon City Circle and major commercial centers. Now let's begin the tour. The architecture is striking and modern, and in terms of the elevation, the first level of the house is raised about 5 feet from the road. And there's space here for 1 car, and upon entering the main gate, you have space for a second car. Let's go. The carport has more than enough space for a large van or even a large SUV. You have a high ceiling with a beautiful wooden design. You also have a provision here already where you can mount your inverter for your aircon. And you have a balcony here, which is a nice touch, which you can access through the sliding door from your living space. The living area is also elevated another 2 feet from the parking space. Now let's take a look. Now welcome to your beautiful home. The warm and inviting living and dining spaces are divided by a light well and the powder room. The living space is well lit with beautiful cove lighting. You also have this large floor-to-ceiling window with a sliding door, which gives you access to the mini balcony in front of the parking space. So this is a nice little refreshing area in front of the property. And coming in, you have enough space here for a nice sala set. You also have a provision already for a split type air conditioning unit over here. From here, you also have a light well. It's basically access for both ventilation and light from the first to the third level of the property. And from here, you also have a powder room. One of the things that I noticed upon entering this property is that it's quite cool even though there were no air conditioning units installed yet. It's because of this light well, which also serves as a way for ventilation to come in. It has 2 windows on 2 sides, one facing the dining, one facing the living space, and you have a sliding door here with a screen part and a glass part. And you can actually install a nice water feature here if you'd like, because there's drainage as well. And from here, you have your dining space. With access leading up to the second floor through the staircase. And from here, you have an open kitchen with a modern design, a lot of storage, with a white granite countertop and a sink. From the kitchen area, you have access through the sliding door to your service and laundry space with your maid's quarters. Let's now head on over to the second level. Let's go. Welcome to the second level of this home. And just on an added note, all of the flooring of this entire property has a plastic covering for protection, which of course will be removed after you purchase the home. And from here, you have a provision here for your own central light piece, which depends on your personal preference. This can serve as a great second living space, which is actually very quiet, private, and peaceful away from the entertainment area in the ground floor. From here, you have 2 rooms on 2 sides of the property. So let's take a look over here. Imagine coming from your cozy second-level living space to your first bedroom, which shares a bathroom with the second bedroom here in the second floor. It has a lot of customized cabinetry for your storage needs, and it also has plenty of space even for a queen-sized bed or even a double bunk bed. You can also use this as an additional den space if you'd like. And it's very well lit because of floor-to-ceiling windows which lead out to a spacious balcony. So the balcony area is large enough to have a small table and even a couple of chairs. Now let's head back in. Let's now take a look at the second bedroom. You'll notice here that the light well extends here to the second level and gives you additional ventilation. And at the same time, gives a great light source to the second level of the home. Here you have the shared bathroom. And here we have the second bedroom. The second bedroom is well lit with this oversized window, and you have 2 areas here for storage. So it has a really nice light wooden design. And in between, you have a space here for your television set because it's already cable ready. And for someone who has a lot of gadgets, I really appreciate that they didn't spare the electrical outlets. And now let's head back out. Let's now take a look at the third level where we have our third and fourth bedrooms. Let's go. The third level of the home accentuates the elegant lighting of the property. You can also have a nice chandelier or light element over here upon entering the third level. On top of that, you also have an intercom system already. And once again, the light well and ventilation extends all the way here. And now let's take a look at your master bedroom.
Upon entering the master bedroom, you have access here to a walk-in closet. So it wraps around and gives you plenty of storage space, and at the same time, there's a separate door leading to the master bathroom so that the moisture doesn't seep into the clothes. The master bedroom is spacious, and it already has a provision here for a split type air conditioning unit. It has a cove lighting element. There's already a provision here for your CCTV system. And it's also very refreshing in terms of a large window which leads out to a balcony. This already extends about 20 to 30 feet from street level, so it's a great view and vantage point upon waking up in the morning. Let's head back in. It's now time for the fourth bedroom. On an added note, the first and third bedrooms are facing the front of the house, while the second and fourth bedrooms are facing the back of the home. They're still very well lit, and the design is similar and identical to the second bedroom, such that it has these two storage areas, and it also has this area for a television set, which is already cable ready. And you already have a provision here for your split type air conditioning unit. The room is modest but spacious enough for a single bed and with space for a study table. And it also comes with its own bathroom. We hope you enjoyed this quick property tour video of this brand new 4-bedroom townhome development for sale located here near Commonwealth Avenue in Quezon City. Now check out the next portion for important reminders for home buyers. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us to our email and number shown there. If you want to be notified of our future videos, just click that like button and that subscribe button, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Here's one more look at this clean and elegant brand new 4-bedroom townhome development for sale near Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City. Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.